Processing a terminal or card present transaction in Dentalpay. In this video, we'll cover how to charge a patient face-to-face using the Dentalpay terminal. For card present payments, the most important thing to remember is to always start the transaction inside the Dentalpay platform. The transaction will later be sent to the physical terminal where the patient can tap, insert, or swipe their card. Never start the transaction directly on the physical terminal, which can lead to missing transactions and reconciliation issues in Dentalpay. Start by going to Virtual Terminal in the left-hand menu. Then select the Charge with Terminal tab. All terminal transactions use the standard card price, which automatically builds in processing costs. The next video will demonstrate how to offer a courtesy card discount, where the office covers the processing costs for a patient. Next, enter the payment amount. Dentalpay automatically calculates and builds processing costs into the final price. In this example, we would now tell the patient that their total comes to $104, but if they'd prefer to pay with cash or check, they could receive a discount bringing their total down to $100. Next, choose the payment category if needed, such as non-medical, FSA, or HSA. This is not required, but can help with reconciliation later on. Now we can enter the patient's name. Make sure this is the name of the patient and not necessarily the cardholder. This makes it easier to match the Dentalpay transaction to the correct patient account in your practice management software. The address is not required for terminal-based transactions. Once the information is entered, click Process via Terminal. If your office has more than one terminal, select the correct terminal from the list. Your terminals may be labeled by location, such as Front Desk 1, Front Desk 2, or another name your office uses. If you are unsure which terminal is which during setup, run a small test transaction to confirm, and the terminals can be renamed later if needed. Next, choose your terminal receipt setting. This controls what prints directly from the physical terminal. You can select No Receipt, Customer Receipt, Merchant Receipt, or both. You will also have more receipt options on the transaction detail screen after the payment is complete, including text, email, or print. The Require Signature option is usually left set to No. You can turn it on if your office wants to collect a digital signature, but most offices do not require signatures for card payments. After confirming these settings, click Send to Terminal. Before sending the payment, make sure the terminal screen says Spin, as covered during the initial terminal setup. Once you send the transaction, Dentalpay will send the total to the selected terminal. The patient can then pay using Tap to Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, inserting the EMV chip, or swiping the card. After the patient completes the payment, the transaction will return to Dentalpay and open the transaction detail screen. Here you can review the receipt and transaction information. You can also add helpful notes to stay organized. Enter useful information, such as when a payment applies to multiple family members or any other details you'd like to remember about the transaction. In the upper right corner, click the three-dot menu for additional options, such as voids, refunds, or printing or sending receipts. If the transaction has not settled yet, you can void it. If the transaction has already settled, the option will change to refund. Refunds can be partial or for the full amount. You can also text, email, or print the receipt from this menu. That's how to take a face-to-face payment using the Dentalpay terminal. If you have any questions or need help with anything covered in this video, please contact our support team at support@dentalpay.ai. We're always happy to help.